Good all the time vlogs. Guys, papakita, quick review lang ng 2026 Mirage G4 namin. Ang tawag sa kulay na to, silver. Diyan, lapit mo. Guys, sa kanyang front grille design guys naka LED daytime running light, LED projector headlight, tapos guys, kung mapapansin nyo guys, naka piano black finish na siya with silver accent. Guys, itong unit na to guys, ito yung tinatawag namin na 2026 Mirage G4 GLX automatic. Meron kaming promo guys, 15,000 lang yung monthly nito guys. Low down payment. Ngayon guys 15,000 lang low down payment kasama ni 1 year comprehensive insurance, 3 years L2 and shuttle mortgage. Tapos sa kanyang gilid guys side profile. Naka 15 inch na siya na ang sukat ng gulong niya 135 by 55 R15. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung loob Ayan guys, okay? Ito yung loob niya guys Guys, equipped na to ng anti-lock braking system with electronic brake push distribution. Equipped din ng hill start assist control to guys. Saka meron na rin siyang Mitsubishi Active and traction control. Guys, so this is the steering wheel. Okay, tapos sa kanya infotainment system, naka-SDA na rin yung smartphone display. Smartphone link display audio na siya guys. Apple CarPlay na Android Auto. Tapos, sa kanyang transmission, yan, 4-speed automatic siya na CVT. Continuous Variable Transmission. Siyempre, dual airbags. Yan. Tapos, pakita natin yung second row, guys. Guys, ito. Sa second row, guys, ang bago rito, meron na siyang center armrest. Ayan, meron sa center armrest with cup holder. Yan. Tapos, guys, itong headrest, bago lang din yan. Tapos, pakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, yung trunk kung gaano kaluwag. Ayan guys, diba? Guys, 15,000 lang yung monthly, napakaluwag, Guys, banggitin ko nga lang uli sa inyo, guys, Guys, ang fuel consumption nito, guys, actually nagre-range to ng ng 22 km per liter to, guys. Tapos, guys, 22 km per liter, tapos yung kanyang taillight. Naka-LED rin siya, combination ng LED and bulb type. Yan, guys. Guys, banggitin ko lang uli yung promo namin. Ang promo namin, guys, 15,000 lang yung monthly nito, guys. 15,000 low down payment. Tapos, guys, isipin nyo, guys, sobrang mahal ng gasolina ngayon. Ito, guys, nagti-22 km per liter to, guys. Napakatipid nito. Guys, just feel free to inquire, Nandiyan yung contact name ko. Contact number ko, guys, Huwag kayo mahiya magtanong. Once again, my name is Winfred Bipos po, ang lagi nagsasabing, alam ang hirap ang pagdaanan natin. Dito sa mundo, manatili mabuti yan, guys. Maraming salamat. God bless everyone. Thank you.